Have you ever felt like you just don't belong in the room? Like your confidence just vanished, no matter how smart, skilled, or prepared you were? What if I told you there's a 2-minute hack that can flip the switch? I'm not talking about positive affirmations or visualization, though those help. I'm talking about body language, specifically something called power posing. Yes, just by changing how you stand or sit, you can actually change how powerful you feel and how powerful people think you are. Sounds too simple, right? But science backs it, psychology confirms it, and high performers use it all the time, whether they know it or not. Let's dive into this fascinating, game-changing concept. What is power posing? Power posing is exactly what it sounds like, adopting expansive, open, and dominant physical postures. Think of how Wonder Woman stands. Feet apart, hands on hips, chin up, chest open. That's a power pose. Or imagine a CEO casually leaning back, arms behind the head, feet on the desk. Not nervous, not rushed, in total control. These aren't just poses, they're nonverbal signals your brain listens to, and so does everyone around you. But here's the magic. Your body language doesn't just reflect how you feel, it creates how you feel. Your body talks before you do. Psychologists say that nonverbal communication makes up over 60% of how we're perceived. People read you before you even open your mouth. If your body says, "I'm small, I'm insecure, I'm uncertain," people believe it, even if your words say the opposite. But when you expand your posture, take up space, lift your chin, you send a signal that says, "I belong here, I am enough, I am powerful." And guess what? Your brain hears that too. The science behind it. This isn't just hype. In 2010, Harvard researcher Amy Cuddy and her colleagues published a famous study. They asked people to hold either high power or low power poses for just 2 minutes. Then they tested their hormone levels and behavior. Here's what they found. Power posers had a 20% increase in testosterone, the dominance hormone. They had a 25% decrease in cortisol, the stress hormone. They were more confident and more willing to take risks. 2 minutes. That's it. Now, to be fair, the science around this has sparked debate, and not all replications have found identical results. But here's what has remained consistent. How you carry your body changes how you feel. And how others perceive you, that's real power. Where to use power posing? So, where does this apply? Job interviews, public speaking, sales meetings, first dates, difficult conversations. Any moment you need to show up strong. Before you walk into that room, give yourself 2 minutes. Go somewhere private if you need to. Bathroom stall, empty hallway, your car, anywhere. Stand tall, stretch out. Lift your arms like you just won the Olympics. Breathe deeply. You're not just faking it, you're priming your brain for presence and power. Why it works. Think about animals. When a cat arches its back or a gorilla beats its chest, what's it doing? It's claiming space, saying, "I'm dominant. Don't mess with me." Humans are wired the same way. When we feel powerless, we shrink, cross arms, hunch shoulders, make ourselves small. When we feel powerful, we expand. By reversing that, expanding first, we activate the power circuit in our brain. It's a feedback loop. Posture shapes perception. Perception shapes performance. Real stories, real impact. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was terrified of speaking in meetings. Her ideas were brilliant, but she'd freeze up. People overlooked her. She started using power poses before meetings. 2 minutes bathroom mirror, hands on hips, deep breath. Within weeks, she was dominating the room. People leaned in, listened. She felt the shift, and so did everyone else. Or Jason, a college student who bombed his first interview. He tried again, this time power posing before walking in. He got the internship. Confidence changes the game. Practical tips you can use right now before the moment. Find a quiet spot, stand tall, arms up or on hips, legs apart. Hold for 2 minutes, breathe deeply. Visualize your success while in the pose. During the moment, sit or stand with a straight spine. Don't cross arms, don't shrink. Keep your chest open and head up. Smile. Not fake, a slight, confident smile. After the moment, reflect on how you felt. Did you speak more clearly? Did people respond differently? Keep practicing. Confidence builds through repetition. Bonus, power anchors. Want an even deeper hack? Pair your power pose with a verbal anchor. Something like, I've got this. I bring value. I own this room. Say it softly during the pose. Your brain links the words to the feeling. Later, just saying the words brings the feeling back. This is how athletes, performers, and leaders train confidence. The truth about power. Real power isn't about domination, it's about presence. Being grounded, calm, and clear. Not loud or aggressive, but sure of yourself. Power posing isn't about pretending. It's about aligning your body and mind so they work together. It's not a gimmick, it's a tool. One that reminds your brain, I'm not here to shrink, I'm here to shine. Final thought. So next time you're about to step into a moment that matters, don't just prepare your slides. Don't just rehearse your pitch. Prepare your body. Because when your body says power, your brain listens. And when you show up like you belong, the world starts to treat you like you do. Take the space. Own your presence. And remember, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you can build, one pose at a time.